Good morning, children. So today we are going to start with the second experiment of 11th physics, that is to find out the volume of the given sphere using slide calipers. And our aim is to find out the volume of the given sphere using slide calipers. So in our first experiment we have already discussed about how to find out the resolution power or the least count of this slide calipers. So resolution or least count of this slide calipers is 0.01 centimeter. Means it will give you the precision of two places of decimal or three significant figures. Okay, so two places of decimal correct value you will be getting through this slide calipers. So now we will put this sphere between two jaws. Between these two jaws you put this sphere tightly. Now you can see how to put the sphere between two jaws. And now you see what is the reading. So how to know the reading? You have to first find out where the main scale is touching with our vernier scale. Vernier scale 0. So vernier scale 0 is 1.5678. It is between 8 and 9. That is 1.8 you have to write as calculation part mein, calculation of diameter. First MSR main scale reading is 1.8 cm because the coincidence is just between 8 and 9. So it is after 8 means you have to take 1.8 centimeter. Then what is VSR? What is VSR? VSR is nothing but least count into vernier coincidence. Vernier coincidence. We have to see where is the vernier coincidence. So in your vernier scale you just find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth one. No, fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one of vernier scale is coinciding with the main scale reading. So that is least count is 0.01 cm into 4 is your vernier coincidence. That is equal to 0.04 centimeter is your VSR. So what is diameter? Diameter equal to MSR plus VSR. Main scale reading plus vernier scale reading. MSR plus VSR. That is equal to 1.8 plus 0.04 centimeter. That is equal to 1.84 centimeter. Okay, this is your diameter. From this diameter you can find out what is radius. You can find out what is radius just by dividing it by 2. 1.84 divided by 2, that is equal to 0.92 centimeter. This is your radius. And what is your volume? Volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.92 whole cube. This will be this centimeter cube. Cubic centimeter is your volume. So calculate this one and you will get the result. So by just turning this sphere you can turn several times and you get several observations. You can shift this one, write this. You can turn this sphere in different angles, different directions, and you will have 3, 4 or 5 observations, and you get the mean result. Okay, thank you.